about to drop the hammer and dispense some indiscriminate justice.
Welcome back to Strongman Personal Finance. I am Christopher Bell, certified public accountant, long-term boglehead investor, author of the book Stop Being a Broke Loser. I think these two clowns, Beavis and Butthead, should read that book and learn how to actually build long-term wealth. And hater of clowns, charlatans, losers, and degenerates on YouTube that pump garbage stocks that everybody else does because it's the future, bro, and then charge people a buttload of money for stupid exclusive content and garbage merchandise. Today we're going to look at Own the Chaos Investing. I never heard about these clowns, but one of my subscribers emailed me about them, and I appreciate you. And we're going to look at some of their amazing stock recommendations, and I'm going to show you why they're complete and utter trash. Let's go.
When it came to risk versus reward.
All right, so that leaves Drive Shack, Palantir, and CarLotz.
Yes.
Drive Shack, Palantir, CarLotz. So they don't actually have Palantir here in the description of the video. They have CarLotz, Drive Shack, Nutsack, and CLOV, Clover Health Investments. Palantir is complete and utter trash. I did a video about it. Go watch it. It's a money-bleeding enterprise, and it's a horrible buy, okay? I mean, if you want to buy an unprofitable company that's losing money hand over fist, you go right ahead, and you go buy Palantir, like these clowns are talking about. But let's see what they say about their amazing stocks, LOTZ, DS, and CLOV. I made a video about CLOV, too. It's freaking garbage.
For those of you who don't know, Drive Shack is one of my highest conviction stocks. It's been on the channel, since when? What, June? Almost a year, or a year now.
High conviction.
Yeah. We've talked about it on the channel. We love this stock. This probably would be our number one community buy, but we're both in it. And I'm
number one buy, and they're in it. All right, so let's go ahead and look at Drive Shack. All right, let's see how they're doing. Okay, so I pulled this up on Yahoo Finance. I didn't look at the 10K. I don't have time for this crap. But the first thing I notice is, revenues are declining every single freaking year. 314 million, 272 million, 219 million, down, 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 down. Same with gross profit, down, 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 down. Let's look at the cash flow. Maybe they have positive operating cash flow. No, they have negative operating cash flow. They're not even generating a profit on the cash basis of accounting. And of course, they have financing inflow in the last 12 months, which means they probably issued stock, which dilutes the current shareholders. This company is trash. How is this a high conviction stock? Is there like a turnaround story? I don't know. But just looking at this, come on. Bleeding money, not profitable on the cash basis of accounting. And I bet you're not profitable on the accrual basis of accounting. Let's look. Basic earnings per share, negative, negative, negative. And it's increasing. Right off the bat, if you just looked at this for 5 seconds, you would know these guys are morons. Unless you're like day trading the stock, because that's how you build wealth, bro. So let's see what they have to say.
Nearly full position size, so I thought it was...
I feel like it's a cop-out.
Yeah, it was a little bit of a cop-out. And most of you guys are in it.
Yeah.
So
most of his fans are in it.
These 5 would be my highest conviction.
Yes, I would agree.
My second highest conviction would be Palantir. And I was surprised. I thought that was the one you were going to choose. But
Palantir is so bad. Go watch my video. It is freaking awful. What is wrong with these people? Who's listening and paying them?
You didn't. I'm in Palantir. I think I'm up 40% on it.
I'm up 40%, even though it's not profitable, bro. It went up. I don't know why.
I still think there's a lot of room to run.
Yeah.
Why? Did you do a discounted cash flow analysis? No, I don't think you did.
However, I think your concerns were around just the fact that it needs to cool off a bit. Is that fair to say?
Yeah. It's on the verge of breaking out. So it's either going to get rejected here.
I had some technical indicators. It's going to break out. It's going to go 20x, bro. Technical indicators. Stupid. Don't trade stocks. Buy and hold.
Here at this resistance at 2750, or it's going to blow it out of the water.
Resistance.
Yeah. But again, upside, we're talking about like how much room does this have to go? Even if it breaks over that resistance, does it get
20x, obviously.
By the next one? So, yeah. Still tons of potential for Palantir. We love that stock.
So we wanted a stock we can buy now.
Yes.
Right now, people,
today.
At this moment. And that has got to be CarLotz.
Yeah.
CarLotz.
Easy decision.
Let's look at CarLotz. LOTZ. Is this CLOTZ? CLOTZ. Hope this is the correct one. All right, so look how new this company is. 2019, 0 revenues. 2020, 0 revenues. Last 12 months, $31 million of revenue and negative 26 or 62 million in operating income, okay? So right off the bat, they're also pushing you into a very new company that just started making revenues very recently and is currently bleeding cash. But it's a growth stock. I don't care. Way too early. Let's look at the cash flow. Negative operating cash flow, and it's increasing. Oh, and financing cash flow. Look at this. I wonder what that's coming from. Common stock, perhaps? Where is it? It's not even showing it. Whatever. Oh, yeah. So they had this might have been their IPO in 2019, but they had a cash inflow of almost $300 million in 2019. I can totally see them issuing more stocks in the future because if you're losing money on the cash basis of accounting, you're going to have to issue more shares, which dilutes the current shareholders. So that's trash stock number 2. Let's see what they say about CLOV.
What do you want to take?
Oh, it's a chart. Oh, wow.
I'll take
Lines.
the bear case.
Okay.
I always
Bear
think that
case is
getting
not
bad news
profitable.
is
It's
good.
bleeding money.
So with CLOTZ, there's some issues with CLOTZ because if you guys don't know their business model, it's surrounded around providing corporations with used car fleets. So if you're a business and maybe you can't afford,
When do they talk
new
about
cars,
CLOV?
maybe the
Overall sentiment maybe a little bit bearish, but us trying to find these opportunities when we think maybe it's a little bit overdone. And I do believe CLOTZ, there's the bearish.
Okay, these guys are morons. Now, Clover Health is also a new company. I did a video on them as well. They have massive competition from other health insurers, and I think they're going to get their cheeks clapped. But, of course, let's go look at these guys' actual webpage. They have membership levels. So you actually have to sign up just to even be able to see how much they're charging you. But for $5 a month, you can join level 1, where you get to access their stupid Discord, member videos, private live streams, where you learn about more trash stocks. $10 a month, level 2, public portfolio, public.com. I think I opened that to get a free stock, but it's a bunch of clowns tweeting a bunch of garbage. Private Discord, and level 3, live trading, $80 a month. What are they doing? Live trading? Okay, wow. I am totally not seeing why you would trust these guys with any amount of money when they're pushing such garbage stocks on you, okay? Here's Brad. Here's I think he's Butthead on my thumbnail. He quit his job for a national investment firm to pursue trading full time. Wow. That's how you build long-term wealth. Just go ahead and quit your job and day trade during a massive, insane bull market. Freaking grifter. Freaking gross. Here they are, the Chaos Crew. So, I mean, if that doesn't prove to you, just by looking at these stocks that they're pumping, if this doesn't prove to you these guys are completely clueless morons that just draw lines on a chart and are going to fleece you out of up to $80 a month, you're smoking crack. These guys are losers. Don't subscribe to them. Anyway, that's it. This is my expose of Own the Chaos. Y'all have a wonderful, delicious, superstitious day.